Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been struggling to wake up to soft, hydrated skin, or if your moisturizer just isn't cutting it at night, this could be the game changer you need. Today, I'm reviewing DHC Extra Nighttime Moisture, a rich collagen-infused moisturizer designed to work while you sleep. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss a fresh beauty tip. DHC Extra Nighttime Moisture is a powerful overnight hydrator, formulated to deeply nourish the skin while you rest. This 1.5 oz jar packs a punch with its rich, potent formula that absorbs quickly to restore moisture and elasticity. It's packed with ingredients like olive oil, squalane, and vitamin E, which work to maintain your skin's natural moisture barrier. Plus, hydrolyzed collagen helps to improve skin's elasticity, giving you a smoother, firmer complexion. The best part? It's fragrance-free and colorant-free, making it ideal for all skin types, including sensitive skin. I started using this as part of my nighttime skincare routine right after applying a liquid lotion, which is the fourth step in the popular Japanese four-step regimen. The texture is rich but not too heavy, and it smooths on easily, absorbing quickly without any sticky residue. I found that it instantly calmed and hydrated my skin, leaving it feeling incredibly soft by morning. On days when my skin felt especially dry or stressed, this cream provided that extra moisture boost without clogging my pores. Now let's talk about real-world performance. I used it nightly for a few weeks, and it consistently left my skin feeling nourished and plump. It didn't irritate my skin, and there were no breakouts or uncomfortable sensations. In the morning, my face looked more refreshed, and there was a visible improvement in skin texture and elasticity. That said, while it's great for dry or normal skin, I could see it being a bit too heavy for oily skin types, so be sure to patch test if you're concerned. When we talk about the pros, the key standouts are its deeply moisturizing properties, lightweight texture despite its richness, and the inclusion of protective antioxidants. The fact that it's fragrance-free and colorant-free is a huge plus, especially for those with sensitive skin. It's also very versatile. Whether you have dry, combination, or sensitive skin, this product can work well. On the flip side, the only con I could find is that the jar packaging may not be the most hygienic, as you're dipping your fingers in each time. This is something to consider if you're worried about contamination or prefer more airtight containers. But this is a minor issue in the grand scheme of things, especially since the product itself is so effective. As for value, the price is on the higher end, but for what you're getting, a high-quality, skin-renewing, collagen-infused moisturizer, it's definitely worth the investment. If you're looking for something that hydrates deeply while also helping with elasticity, this product holds up. Comparing it to other nighttime moisturizers, I've tried products in the same price range, but many fall short when it comes to maintaining moisture throughout the night. This one, however, does an excellent job of locking in hydration without feeling greasy. In terms of quality, it's right up there with some of the best luxury skincare brands. The build quality of the product is solid. The jar feels substantial and high-end, and while it may not be the most travel-friendly option, the generous amount of product will last for quite a while. Over time, I've noticed my skin's texture has improved, and I'm confident this product will continue to be effective in the long term. If you're on the fence, just know that this is an excellent choice for those needing a bit of extra hydration and elasticity in their routine. It's perfect for normal to dry skin and great for anyone looking for a night cream that provides lasting benefits. If this review helped you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Have you used DHC Extra Nighttime Moisture before? Drop a comment below and let us know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.